Okay, we're going to do a quick tour of the Homewood Suites on A1A Avenue in Cape Canaveral. This is a popular hotel for cruisers to stay in. It's about a half mile from the port. That's what we're doing. Had a good stay. This is going into the lobby. Well, real quick, we won't. That's just the front desk over there. It's really nice, fairly new hotel. You know, a lot of the hotels here have space stuff. So this is a ULA rocket. These are actually built near where we are from, in the Huntsville, Decatur, North Alabama area. Okay. They do have parking. We're not doing parking here, but they have parking $10 a night if you're interested in that. They got the little cruise preparation station, which basically is a stapler for stapling your documents. The fam is having breakfast. I'm going to join them shortly.
Hey, make sure you get what they have. They have pork carnitas.
Carnitas for breakfast?
Yes.
Yeah, let me go get that on video.
It's very good.
All right. The wife says they have pork carnitas for breakfast. This is scrambled eggs. Pork carnitas. Oh, I'm gonna have to get some of that. All right, awesome. Got your waffles, you got your beverage station, a bit of everything. I'm gonna go check out the pool area. There was a lot of people out here last night, and the weather has been pretty nice. It was a little sprinkly. This is a little bar right here, a little tiki bar, and I saw quite a few people at 10 o'clock getting drinks. So we got a little grills, nice pool. There is the Hampton Inn and Suites and other Home2 Suites. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. There's two Home2 Suites on A1A, one right in front of the other. So that's a little confusing. Okay. It's a good stay. I'll show you our room here in a little bit. We stay on the 6th floor. Here in a few minutes, we're heading to the ship, the Carnival Vista. Oh, we can't see it from down here. I'll have to show you the ship from our room view. All right, be back in a minute. So we're having carnitas for breakfast. I don't think I've ever had this at a restaurant. What y'all think of the breakfast?
Very good.
I want to go get a little video of the sauces bar. So they got carnitas, which are good, but they also have all of the sauces. Good stuff, right, y'all? Mm-hmm. All right, let's eat. We'll do a quick room tour of our room here at the Home2 Suites. We had a nice stay here. Plenty of room for the three of us. You know, one of the things we like about the Home2 Suites is the little kitchenette. You know, my wife and I were saying that there's really not that big of a difference between the size of this room and our first apartment when we first got married. So, yeah, nice little room. I mean, a nice spacious room. It's got a closet. Shower had good water pressure. Everything worked well. Of course, we all have the little things, the little bottles on the side of the shower now. It's pretty much everywhere. Nice bathroom, nice sink. The beds were comfy. Plenty of places to plug in your devices. And we have some USBs. I don't know if you can see this on video, but we have a little plug-in here where you can plug in 2 USBs, 2 plugs. There's another one over there. TV worked well. We got the 6th floor hoping we would have a good view, and we do. This is on A1A, and we are taking a cruise today. And you can see the Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas from our window. That's not our ship. We're getting on the Carnival Vista, but we want to go on the Wonder soon. Got the observation tower right there. There's another ship right there. That might be MSC. I don't know if you can see it. But that's where we're headed here in a little while. About a half mile away, not very far at all. You can see the pool area from up here. There's a little tiki bar that was open fairly late last night. People were getting drinks from the tiki bar. Overall, I would say this was a good stay, and we'll probably stay here again. A couple of caveats. I would be careful. There is another Home2 Suites on A1A right behind us. It's a combination Home2 Suites and Hampton Inn, and I've heard it's nice. But if you want your family to stay in the same hotel, make sure you know that there's 2 Home2 Suites, and one is 9004 A1A Avenue, and the other one is 9000 A1A Avenue. We know this because our mother-in-law had to stay at the hotel behind us. And that wasn't too bad, but we all wanted to stay in the same hotel. All right, Southern Cruisers are out. Please subscribe to our channel if you like videos about cruising, hotel reviews. We do barbecue videos. If you like this video, you can like it. If you really like it, you can buy us a coffee. The link is in the description. And we out. Fixing to head on a cruise ship.